Welcome to Drew Tutorials. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Google Chrome being so slow as a browser. So number one, check your connection. Make sure that if there's a Wi-Fi available, enable that one. Once you are connected to Wi-Fi, click the three dots. Click Delete Browsing Data. So this will delete cookies, cache, and other site data, and for the time frame, actually the longer the better, because like if you delete the cache and cookies like that, um it will remove some of the storage used in your phone, and that extra space will enable the phone to process much faster. So the longer the better. I'm gonna click all time and I'm gonna click delete data, and there you have it. It is now deleted. The next step is to open tabs that you don't use anymore. So as you can see, we have 12 tabs, but and there are also 24 inactive items. So what we can do is, if we're sure that we're not gonna use this, as we can see, it's just very common sites. There's no specific, like, very important for me. I'm going to close it all. I'm gonna confirm it. And then for these websites, I'm gonna delete a duplicate, for example. And then, for example, I don't need this one anymore, this one. And I'm gonna go back here, and there you have it. So, with those ways or methods, Google Chrome will be a lot faster the next time you use it as a browser. Thank you and see you in the next video.